What would you do if your biggest op
That's right, you and me, right now, we're having it out. Let's go, come on, come on.
I'm trying to get the baby. Ooh, ooh, ooh.